Ahora para la esquina.
Your Excellency. Thank you, sir.
All right. All right. A little bit of rain. How long is this rain going to last? Somebody who knows Shillelah's weather. Just 5 minutes?
Come down here. And then, okay. If you see, can you ask me what happened to Sinido? He has to come down. Yeah, sir, ask him to come down. Okay. Okay.
Yep, hold on.
Ali, ngaringi yamlay mangit ramlara US Embassy, el plate ringi 20660. Please mo tang mo ramli minna magidin marail sulang.
Is that what you just said? Yeah. Whoever's in charge of the rain, please turn it off. Rain, go.
Hai kabungari araw tibur. Kay winewe kanam chuno sewe sapuk. Emitri irrigation ayar were feru wer. Peruel. Sebuah kasasa, regata tumoto, mengilau kemelibe. Yang gua melicu, hasungan kuam, obar gua melicu. Arriba, ay torope, rai dari.
Zaman tugubet sa Morales. Higop ng makasalusin. Hebuk mo, malagalis. El Obaulet Torch, el bandera reptil, Henry Olang Ande. Akabanor sa guma o gederati. Oh, kibay pamalaklawe, lakadi mo sa sakol, hegit yalvik meta. Ali, 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 hatamal matigiregi, hibuk matigiregi. Kuduguk mamaluga daw, godal morang gaklaw. Masarili na nabakun.
Pencini, huele sin idea pau, me vale huele sin fogo. Ane caro pulguerie, oh pulguerie, oh para pulguerie. Arriba. Hay toro pejeray, yaririre. Pajarito.
Zaman tugubet sa Morales.
Tirgala adrat, wala makasakit. Malagilagis. Ay mabauretos, el bandero el guío lang ane. Nakabarnol sa kumo, o geraldi. Arriba. Harinap, 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 hanap jakaron, hanap jakaron, hanap, hanap. Patarangalong wasarabay one more time, hanap.
Malungil tutal mera radroguy happy youth day. Kadamo mo urti al sil sirgid makadamo makadong yang klaro bakal got makmo makadong ya Mr. Simon Borham ang mertiang makadong yang klela Dios ulo makngaltangat at tial sil sira tial skill ngatiang masil sir kami ngas kal mo ura klokora yakyu budo mo la gel gira dal mga tmokre al sils.
Au era bodo lulu e bodo mesa tingin a Dios. Kadamora Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 11. For I know the plan I have for you, declared the Lord. Plan to prosper you and not to harm you. Plan to give you hope and a future. Heavenly Father, creator of the universe and everything in it, we gather here today for the friendly game between our kids. We ask that you give them energy to have fun and enjoy this day. Please watch over them, keep them from injury, and let them learn to work together and respect each other. Let your plan guide them throughout their lives. Bless the organizers, coaches, and parents for this moment. We thank you for our friendship with the U.S. Guide our country to work together for a better future for our children. We ask all these things in Jesus' name. Amen.
Elal time mo modong ya Mr. Howard Charles nga Professor of Music ra Palawan Community College mertie mo meskita national anthems. Odo lingitra rogul adam boldoor ay legida banderang al ngati.
Ako ligit titirigar ako players sa mga makal may takra anthem. Belaulo baklisi eraglulul el dimlang arangirara odalmei Mang manghal walwara imol balu El ngara ngelarira alo makasang Bodol getagarulera balwaf Lola babla gareng madu areng Belawa otilak lang aragif Mebodorur tabadul msakli si Boda gai warigda imlogi waring Edongat mo karadim lakoted Loma aliwar nga del maklap kalel Logi wabuda amabaltigareng Dios mo makngal tangat rabelumam El dimla diga samarara odalmei Bas kamaklisi amalamaltam Lord taklunyo lamal mo
Please be seated. Walang itarogul adam bol ng aking elir. Agusperal longot mo kortial madal tie agusper tial teal. Lot ke ora rogul user belau, marogul organizers ay gagid el activities el ngaringir el al sales. So happy youth day again. Pastrira user bela klot prot. Yo spare tial te al le waseng gadeba te med le gadang artiang el mo oeng artial ya kyura ngal. Di regal global gul te agi de long at mokor ngim bo spare tial te al le gu ut kyora bilung el ngartiang marogul masil belaul tiram no sobi rong si ogdong. Emei. Di regal rubugul belaul rogul ngartiang ungil tutaw mergamiu. And all members of the diplomatic corps, Ambassador Aaron Reich, who's here at the platform, and Ambassadors Turner, Origasa, and Ambassador Lee, and all the members of the diplomatic corps. Thank you for coming and gracing this very auspicious occasion on behalf of this nation, and it signs the agreement and exchange of notes between the two governments of the people of the United States and the government of the people of Palau. Also, I would like to take this opportunity to recognize Senator Tapsung Ino, yung teera blara Senate ng Ngatiang, marugul Senator Saltira amlo sabiir, loita al sangrire may. Kadamangelo asem beto ka activity ra igal beto ko ng del belaw, hindi tira amlo sabiir no sabela Senator Suginon may. Diregal tangakal speaker sabi no Anastasio, diregal nga rin niya activities ra youth ra igal tablol bululom tay, engyam lo sabiel me bangked tial Nippon Stadium al celebrate. Diregal Chief Justice all the eyes marogul justicism lo sabiel may malungil 2000 mer kami rogui. Tangakal President Whips ma cabinet rong three matal government toguning ilegi del ngatel mo o saing ra tial Bavier tangakal Minister Gustav Aitaro Arworo niya ngatel mo o matala belaw. Diregal tangakal Governor Henaro Peloy ramelgeo marogul governors Rabulur belaw sulang amlo sa Milmay. Speaker Silverius Telay ngil 2000 mergaw marogul adam no sa berir elmo kumirogul mga taklelay galol bilelala. Kada messer tirga gidel ngala ke Governor Ray tirga ngamral me maklol mo malay lagi del drual lom ngarngi makada mal merenga sulil mo merek tiagi the skill ngatiang kada lengit mo kom dong okle oeng ra gay mertir elmo o muur tiang o ilia president elmo o mati isa gidel tu ela kada mo president adi gu special te alle di gu kora di meskida di kadebel Rexi, Melmutra, El Alsil, sa ulma kadangat yang Governor ng Anglo. Kidamle siyong rabebir rablu, adra dois ma sabang adra sabangyol ma dois masyabal ma blu ramrigel. And di tiagi del sils del dangaring El Alsil today, as we stand here, it was the 80th. It is close to 80 years since the government of United States came to an aid to the Palawans. That's about 79 years and 6 months ago. It was really tough because the people of the United States sacrificed in terms of people who passed away. Ambassador Aaron Reich, our history tells us that 1,800 perished in Peleliu and 196 died in Angaur for a total of 1,996 people lost their lives in the defense of Palau. We need to also remember that there were 13,000 Japanese who also lost their lives in that war. When Palau was liberated, the Navy took over and they were quick to try and rebuild. They provided materials and food to the people, and the goal was to return Palau to the Palauans. And in doing so, they were able, the U.S. Navy was able to repatriate 35,000 Japanese to return to their homeland. And then, of course, the trust territory. We're one of the 11 territories after the war, and Palau was part of the U.S. trust territory and the last one to be set free, and that happened in 1994. They also helped to create economic needs of these communities. They created 16 municipalities in Palau and chartered them, created Palau Congress in 1955. And U.S., of course, Mr. Ambassador was very interested in the unified Micronesia. And in doing so, President Johnson signed an executive order to establish the Congress of Micronesia, and that we have just one member of that body still living, Mr. Polycarp Pasilius. That body, of course, was created, and one of the things that they did was to call for a Micronesia Political Status Commission led by none other than Senator Lazarus Sali of Palau. He was supported by Epak Silk, and then, of course, Amarites from the island of Chuuk. The Congress of Micronesia, once they created that, the following were options facing President Sali and the people of Micronesia and Palau: continuing as TTPI, become a Commonwealth like the Northern Marianas, self-governing in free association, a very new concept at that time, and then a complete independence, back to nature and then our birthday suits. The COM, Congress of Micronesia, also called for the drafting of Micronesian Constitution, which became the Constitution of the FSM. Of course, Palau sent a delegation there, and they went there equipped with 7 non-negotiable demands. One was a limited power of the government. Second will be a unicameral Congress with equal representation regardless of the population. District will be in charge of their land, equal distribution of support from outside of the territory, right to leave the federation whenever one chooses, and the capital must be in Palau. Of course, Micronesians together agreed to only 3 of these things, and then they rejected 4 of them. Of course, on July 12, 1978, the people of Palau and the rest of Micronesia went to vote on whether to become part of the FSM. 3,330 Palauans, or 55%, said no. 2,220, or 44.9%, said yes. So that paved the way for the creation and the development of Palau Constitution, which happened with the hands of the 6th Palau legislature. They called for 38 members, and those members are to draft the Constitution. At the same time, they have agreed to the principles of the free association, where the U.S. were to have 3 rights: to base and use lands in the territory, to allow military vessels to transit through the waters, and then to prevent other foreign powers from utilizing and militarizing this region. Those were the principles. And in exchange to that, the United States is to provide the FAS. So FAS, as we use it today, is really Associated States, and it was used then, was free association status. It has a different meaning back then. The second one was to allow the people of the FAS to migrate to, settle, and work in the United States. And the third is to defend the FAS. And of course, the other one is to provide assistance in protection that was placed in 1974. Finally, we're back in full circle back to that. Of course, health and public safety. The late 1970s, the Constitution, and there were, once they finished and signed on that April 2nd, U.S. under the Ambassador Rosenblatt sent the objection on those 4 principles, and time is close, so it's just about the EEC and the UNCLOS, eminent domain not to be used for foreign entity, and then and land and that nature. I'll make it even briefer now. July 9, 1978 was when we first voted for the Constitution of Palau. 92% of the people said yes, although there was an objection on records. The Trust Territory High Court nullified the results of that vote. Palau Constitutional Drafting Commission, they revised the Constitution. The July 9, 1978 vote happened to fall. The law says the Constitution must be approved on a full moon in July. It just happened to be July 9. The OEG 6th Palau legislature adopted and created a Palau Constitutional Drafting Commission. They They gave revised the Constitution addressing the concerns by the U.S. On October 3rd, 1979, 69% of the voters went to the polls and said no. There was an election to select the new members of the 7th Palau legislature. This is the legislature that lasted only 12 months, and they approved a bill to call for a new election, which happened to be on July 9, 1980, and overwhelmingly 78% of the people approved that we should use the original constitution. On January 1st, 1981, constitutional government was installed. The negotiation has moved from Senator Sali to Chief Negotiator Matul and back to then Ambassador Lazarus Sali. Palau was confident of the 75% of the vote. They called for the first plebiscite in 1983, only 62% approved. In 1984, they called for, the court declared that 75% was necessary. Kami rokul adang atyam dengan Article 13 Section 6, ma Article 2 Section 3. Ay kita malukol kira nuclear ma kira la okuid ma email basent palu mengeder EYTU. So the first vote was 67%. The third vote in 1986 was 72%. President said yes, it has been approved. The court said no, 75% is still required. They called for another compact vote number 4, 66%, and that's what led to the furlough in Palau, in a very hard time in Palau. Of course, 1987, compact vote number 5 was 67%, and the OIG has approved the first constitutional amendment. The court drew it out because they put the amendment and the compact in one ballot. 73% for amendment, 73% for the compact. 1988, the Supreme Court said the first Kangan, or they approved the vote for the first Kangan and then called for the 6th plebiscite. That was the Supreme Court decision 1988. In 1990, compact 7 vote was 60% under President Etpisong. He called Frank Tiada Prairie, and then he called for the amendment, and that was approved on November 4, 1992. And the compact vote number 8 was held, and 68% approved. And of course, on October 1st, 1994, right here in this stadium at the Pitcher's Mound, 30 years ago, close to 30 years ago, a Declaration of Independence was read, and Palau became a sovereign, self-governing nation, of course, with 185th member of the United Nations. The compact was implemented and TTPI was ended. 2009, with Ambassador Goshiba and President Toribio, a compact review agreement was negotiated and signed in Honolulu, Hawaii. And today we're here on this Youth Day, March 15, 2024, with President Whips, Ambassador Ehrenreich, Minister Gustav Aitaro. That's why we're here asking the youth to be part of their program today so they can celebrate this special occasion. So at this time, let me call on those responsible for the exchange of notes. Minister Aitaro and His Excellency Joel Ehrenreich, Ambassador of the United States of America. And then after that, after they sign and exchange the note, President will come here, and then they will have a photo op, followed by the people in the podium. And then after that, Minister Aitaro will be asked to sign a baseball that will be turned over to the Ambassador of the United States, and the Ambassador of the United States will be asked to initial and sign and buy, and that will then turn over to Minister Aitaro.
I think you're on this side.
Tirgagi del ngatiang el minister ay taro lom tera blur belao ambassador Ehrenreich, Joel Ehrenreich. Tirgagi del mra ababilingir sorry al saing ru era rep tatiale el tel ongos. Aradar belao asen di manglewet mata de luz, di gal de luz agirel mora. Arek sirgi demang. Olong ito tira president, tira ladam temeru lire tira sel exchange tira. Ya lela ungil tokoy mendiak lore de kita dia kata babier mendiak kata mesodel. The all ngatiang almas ya singer give. Oh. Okay. Tiagi dia maulo banglel tiagi dele program regid. Kita aldo magada kaldi bertiang sil serar ngayas ka. Magada kotlu ule meda urenga sulela akwol ngir turong al mlame bangedel ngatiay saula ngir turong lo mga klelo bangel tiale exchange of notes. El alta me ak magako kakalo magdongara o legara atli ngegi dia guk me tiay emergong emo ngred kada magako gidel guko geder tiagi del skira rangal ka. Lingia mo mol magdol ngitra rokul adam rokul leaders. Matangat yang masa tial seremonil mo merek, masel gotel game mo omu relal tutaw. O nga kamla akman la moredro melal siya sing edir ka giril nga niya at tigingir tirgal teruruba kamelal time. At this time let me ask Ambassador His Excellency Joel Ehrenreich to come and provide a special remark on this auspicious occasion. And after that, we will hear remarks from the President of Palau.
Ungil Tutao, good morning everybody. Happy Youth Day, especially to our baseball players. So President Whips and Minister Aitaro and members of the Cabinet, members of the House of Delegates and the Senate, governors, and traditional chiefs belong. And I see my colleagues in the diplomatic corps who I might say look very healthy and fit after running the 5K this morning. Well done. Hello to all of our distinguished guests and to all of our friends who are here today. Today is truly a monumental occasion. The Compact of Free Association has served as the foundation of our special relationship for 30 years now, and now it will continue to do so for another 20 years. I've been saying for several days now that the next 20 years start now, and actually they just started about 3 minutes ago when we did the final step in signing the diplomatic notes and exchanging that. It is done now. Thank you. This is truly, truly worth celebrating. So I want to commend you, Mr. President, Minister Aitaro, particularly Minister Udui, and the Palau negotiating team, and that includes the previous negotiating team who got the review agreement started in the previous administration. Thank you for your partnership and for your focus on getting a win-win agreement completed, one that will serve as a symbol of our shared desire to assure Palau's economic security and prosperity in the years ahead. I am humbled to be the United States representative at this event today, and I know I speak for the numerous people on the U.S. side who are involved in reaching this agreement in saying that this will make us stronger together and more capable of working as partners to advance our shared values. As someone who loves the game of baseball, even if it's raining, I can't think of a better place to be than right here today on this historic field to mark this momentous occasion. And I'm glad that we're doing it in front of these ball players who will benefit from the resources that this agreement will provide for their education, their health care, and their safety, their ability to fight climate change well into their adult years. This is a great step for your future. So once again, let us recognize just what a significant event this is today, the completion of our new Compact Review Agreement, and let us celebrate. Thank you, Mesulang.
El altaime gadolingitra tangak el presidente rigid surang el whips junior memertiet mu al dadar belau rogid ligirel ti alkmali leak el sils rigid another belau. Mr. President,
Will Tutao. Happy Youth Day. You know, Ambassador Aaron Wright, this baseball field holds tremendous importance in Palawan life. It's where we've held major events. And one of them, I can say, was when Minister Aitaro and I graduated from high school. And you know, what we said back then, our aim and motto was rise up and shine. And I hope that today you were both rising up and shining for Palau. So thank you. Nirturo, marubukul bela alobangyet, Bilu, marmasil bela alobangyet, Speaker, adala House alobangyet, madiregal Senator Singino, marbekal Senators el tira Blosilo Bangyet, Justices, Governors, ako sa Chairman of Governors Association, Chairman of Speakers Association, local governors, speakers sa Bangyet. Mal tubet silungil tutol marbekal other belaw, material magikalel, el buy, maregabil, el mausokore, el alsils. Tial kami ulmes rin al sils ase del wase ni au temel au ngil klugu kami wayel lorgo ambasador so bakli hospital gi del gut bakli mongil au gurul gut bakli school mom sisi makla karngel belal mom sisi e dire gal mosugi del agimla rablu ngartma ngirturong celebrate a school ngirturo, a school ngartmao, el mlamo ergandisyon, keltmok luil tale, tate mono, sing tukra belong tukra siabal. Hindi, aging arse, agi bela school aira to ase, etial school amuk mo ingarang, makwase, etial kampak tamo make sure etinamrul. Hindi kami daw ng asule la blue ramrigel. Gida amral malaswar ra sel ngi atitwo al sel la blue ramrigel al time. Akmal dir kamla deng waru era po the bertial madadaol lomgel Deputy Secretary of State el Kurt Campbell. Magulureng asuler rauk selungul suil ngi amlo sa el kadatmak, emlo selo madudura White House, emlo sabel, ngaringgel, ni amlo special envoy, ambassador yun, emlo sa edal tmakalo uriol kut makli, tial agreement regal drong legal tablol bulu. Kita mo amlo umur seluriol mo, malaringir olbira kalular amrigel. Emlem dengel waseng, natitwa kale blur amrigel doon nga sesel temela senkyon di ititwa kalaro kultoy. Asya dalo waseng waise speaker blur bela baby timing natitwa kale. Hindi selul koringal el Deputy Secretary of State el Kurt Campbell mergida ase. Sel girel mo klar ang miringi other belaw. Oy ngariya amondar blur amrigel. Hindi sel niya aklisi ela del willer gith. Maser klaw marar other amrigel wase abelaw. Maygal blura FAS maklaw tutil mora blur amrigel. Auleng Sen sel supplemental mlegirel ng arilo mgila Ukraine na Israel adriga kloy adriga mlamde legida abay mlamrael mngira del celebrate le se acclisiel adel wirigi del obentril oy kadra agora mora ngudro asemlo October 1st edim lakal mangay hindi kita mlem dengelo ase mlani selurung ule de mlem dengelo ase Ablur amrigel amla saing. Ertial agreement tercera amera last year amgel minister udui. Modido rura ya sang angargi de speaker edo tengel ase. Merodol nga sa ududi rara state government, national government, le kadamde se udau dame. Why say? Lengira klon ngude de kadamdak. Engari klon marargid. Anyway, I said I had faith in the US system that it will get done. So when we passed the budget in October, we had faith that it will get done, and that's why we gave raises to the government employees and all the state governments. So I wanted to share that because we had faith that it was going to get done. And, today is really a day of celebration, and I want to thank Ambassador Oricasa. Boy, I'm having a hard time transitioning between English and Palawan. But Ambassador Oricasa, Ambassador Turner, and Ambassador Lee, thank you for joining us here today because we are celebrating 30 years this year of independence. It was 30 years ago on this baseball field that we raised the flag and became a nation. And we are so blessed to have 4 embassies in the Republic of Palau and to be able to be in partnership with these great nations that share these values of freedom and democracy. So today is really to celebrate the great partnership and friendship between Palau and the United States. This agreement allows Palau to secure its economic prosperity for the future. It allows us to continue to be in strong partnership with the United States to ensure defensive security. One of the major things that we would always talk when we go to visit our friends in Washington is there's 2 fundamental things that we need. Yes, we need the U.S. military to defend us, but we also need economic security to ensure a prosperous future for our children. The opportunities that are in this agreement for education, for veterans, for Palauans that move to the United States and choose to live there are limitless. And the opportunities for us to have a strong foundation that we can build on to improve healthcare, education, and security in Palau provides a bright future for our young baseball players here. And so we're excited today to be able to join with them, and we thank Speaker Welsawas and of course the Palau Little League for allowing us to join them in their celebration for the opening of the Palau National Little League games. And you know, how fitting that it's baseball. I say? Because today we are proud that we have a Palawan in the U.S. Major Leagues, right? Blay Madris. So, I see the Rays, Padres, Dodgers, and the Blue Jays, and what's the last one? And the Astros. Oh, the Braves. So I expect one from each team to be in the major leagues, right? We have to dream big. Shoot for the stars. I say? Magdamaran artial el alsil semral dit me arud. Arsia tial teal el gid at magalo mangel ablur amrigel. El mangel wase sel peltigereng artir gid. El mergid o iseri tial gid am langul agreement. Et magalo lo mangel lo sigram sisi e wil blue el girer ang gid el tial telarol matalorol el maral me. So today we celebrate the partnership for peace and prosperity, because we truly believe that we are stronger together. So thank you, Ambassador Enright. Thank you, President Joe Biden. We look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you, Speaker Johnson, Leader Schumer, for getting this done. And we are just here and grateful to the people of the United States and the friendship that we have. God bless America and God bless Palau. Sulang.
Mal masawla tangak al President Tergid, la gel el dalom Tergid ar adar belaw, nga direk al mlok mung clear Tergel ngel klo ruba sel klo bulu Biden, ma direk al Speaker ruba Louisiana nga Speaker House of Representatives ra Blue Ramrigel, ma Senator Schumer ra New York, lingi ako ngir gutling ra bla ra Senate ra Blue Ramrigel. El altime kada mal merenga sulir Tergal leader Sergi del Ngartiang, medlutul mestri ra klol proto. Elang akmo tira atli mang merte hindi era kural active recognize ra President Frank Kyoto, madirek el President ra Belao Youth Baseball League, lingia rameli ra bulura ang armid. Lingia tara malmle ara adra kwama madanglia sperrang klel mle bits ra yakyu. Tirge ako mo ke dergi det yagi del program. Mr. Atli.
Will Tutau, Happy Youth Day! Elawuk mo imul morsel programa Belao Youth Baseball League. Makmuntira tangakla President ra Palau National Olympic Committee Mr. Frank Kyoto. Mertia mo muskit akuk tigingel mo ra bigel Belao marang ligel Belao Baseball League. Mr. Frank Kyoto.
Mitutal Beklab, Blamdu susamadik kultur gebok trital el gukti tiangabir kamama rungra ala klokola ngalget el mortigal magikrel ngalget el amu ra kotel bakas ratkol loru ngil tarak lebse tamam tera blur belaw ra hada kadil el se belaw baikre belaw rogir Adilungil besule gunit etkel rogul di lig mabol dor etel eldat akam pal dia gor gomiu. Sulang. Bilung e kultur gadik tilito kam rigel. Malini League Baseball is an event that captivates the Little League's heart. It will ignite the dreams of the attractive say. At one time, I and I like watching baseball. When the field was over there, the batter's box was there, and this was the outfield. I was able to memorize the Palau Legends' names, their numbers, uniform numbers, the teams they were playing. and even their batting orders. I remember that every weekend I would try to find excuses not to go fishing with my daddy so I can stay and watch the games. In those times, the Palawan Legends were really good baseball players, and they began their career just like you. Now, as you're about to take the field in 2024, please remember this. The little leaguers like you are the beacon of baseball dreams and integrity, not only in Palau, but throughout the world. You are the future Palau Major Leaguers for all of us. You represent us, you represent yourselves, you represent your families, and the game of baseball, as well as the Republic of Palau. So do it proudly. And here are some of the tips. As you grow up and navigate the curveballs, the screwballs, the fastballs, and the knuckleballs of life. First, trust in God and believe in yourselves. Have faith even when the game gets tough. Number two, love your country. Respect its laws, honor her people, and cherish the spirit of baseball. Number three, play fair. Sportsmanship matters more than victory. So play true, play fair. Number four, always do your best. Win or lose, give it your all. No regrets, and leave everything on the field. Remember, your smiles, your laughter, and the fighting spirit is what the world needs today. Be kind, dream big, and keep the Little League spirit alive. Now, do you know the Little League pledges? Okay. Then repeat after me. I trust in God. I love my country and will respect its laws. I will play fair and strive to win. But win or lose, I will always do my best. Maraming sulang. So may God bless the Republic, the United States of America, and protect our troops around the world. Homsural Beklab.
Baseball players, alege for el tugol dilo a presidente NOC ma sel start ayak kilmong el almong our coaches sa kami ogeregel dilo nga Mr. Frank Yota di tester kami sel temela game. Okay? Ilangan more sel next sa program margid ngani ati will change. Melang akmo tigi mo on tingalat lang ak ambassador Priang Award Mr. Joel Enright Met Mu Aldadan Ambassador.
Thank you. This is my second time talking today. I'm getting tired of hearing myself, so I'm going to be very, very brief. But again, actually, let me just say what a thrill it is for me to be here. Those people who know me know I'm a huge baseball fan. I've been around the world. I've made friends through baseball for years and years now. This is going to be one of the best memories of my career, so I'm just honored. Thank you for letting me be a part of today. I want to congratulate all the parents and the coaches who are here for getting Little League Baseball started again. This is huge. Well done. Congratulate yourselves. and I don't see them now, but to the umpires who are here, I want to say thank you for your contribution to the game. Those people who really love baseball will umpire or will give something back to the game. So thank you to the umpires. But really what I want to do today is talk to you, the players. So the Rays, the Padres, the Dodgers, the Braves, the Blue Jays, and the Astros. I want to talk to you. I think Mr. Kyoto gave a fine list of what he thought were the most important things. I'm going to kind of repeat that. I want to say there are 3 things that I always tell people your age to think about when they're thinking about baseball. The first is be a good teammate. Baseball is hard. Sometimes you make errors, sometimes you strike out, sometimes you get mad, sometimes your teammates do those things. Always be there to support your teammate, to help them get through the difficult times, and to help them to get better, and let them help you. The second thing is be coachable. Your coaches want you to be the best player you can be. They want you to succeed. Even if it doesn't seem like it sometimes. Sometimes they might get mad or they might not be giving you as much attention as you want. But the best thing you can do for yourself and for your team is to listen to your coach and try to learn what they are teaching you. Being coachable will make you a better player. And finally, the last thing is simply to have fun. Baseball is a game, and games are meant to be fun. It is also a competition. But if you compete in a spirit of good sportsmanship, if you learn how to lose with grace and win with humility, you too can have a lifetime of fun enjoying baseball. I hope you'll always remember that. So once again, thank you for this very, very special day. I hope for you kids it'll be a very, very special day too. Congratulations on opening day and Youth Day. Mesulang. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ambassador. Ela kaduk mo siya programmer makmontira ang presidente ng Palau Youth Baseball League, Mr. Huel Awas, mumekmuldaban.
Malungil to tawro ko'y. Malbato ka ungil to ko'y mlamadong. Michael Made, Michael, hindi kakaldong madiboktong. Ako tuluul. Ako rin nga suli war parents, mar volunteers. Ang ulam ma-program rangal kasi el mo to ko'y. Please, at nakakaloban trir, lomilmi tiyal mo lubong, kita mo mesar el aureriw. Akmalulingit tangi sir kumiro ko'y. Especially volunteers. Since ako rin nga saul, so akadoda ka imat, o rin nga sulela, ngegidil jay gale, hirosi aray, doda ka imat the pretty, o rin nga sulel. Madiriyakil ngel ngarbitar ngay, uulmakuran na mas stadium makaltumok, ang gaygid, doda ka imat el morahenyo. Ngarulega maktim ko dong yang klel, ako lingit aprot el mora atli kazuma. Mlamadub tokol tokoy. Kumiwa sel kurir ang klela team, ako lingit ebom door, mar parents sir kumiwa mar supporter kumiwa door. Houston Astros pom door. Parents pom door loban trir. Toronto Blue Jays, stand up with your parents. Atlanta Braves, stand up with your parents. Los Angeles Dodgers, stand up with your parents. San Diego Padres, stand up with your parents. Tampa Bay Rays, stand up with your supporters. Komal masauro ko'y. Hale ko kumtergid ako nga dadur tirkal blad oy tatemedel entertainer tir. Mr. President, Kamsulang alimle ruliti alungil klibasera kamam marangal kalmal mo klubokol. Since ang klaw ludo da bod realize ringi laka mo beser tir kal ngal ka. Laka di akmad nga ospitar mas skula maklaw tutlel di tir ka klugu grigit. Kamal musulangan so kung magrir nga kal parents bas kakaklaw prota. Kamsularo ko.
Malam Saula, Presidente da Palau Youth Baseball League, Rawil Adal. Elang ako magiging introduction sa teams, magunit sila kung na teams, ito may blower at sila kuranta. Kami mga coaches sa kami. Okay? Sa team na Astros, ngayon niya ako sa Mr. Ray Rumong, Tilden Saburo. Mo sa next sa team na Blue Jays. Blue Jays ang ako sa team na kanya legislator Alonso Moses, Wilbur Tlay. Mo yung sa team na Blue Jays ang sa team na Braves, Atlanta Braves. Kanya ako sa team Mr. Jack Meltel, Jake Meltel. Kadamor sa team na Dodgers. Ano niya, coach team, Mr. Talblock ER, Hubert Rafael. More sa team na Padres, sa team na Airay. Ano niya, coach team na Mr. Wayne Blodak, Antonio Ngilalmao. Sa momong number 6 sa team. Mo sa team na Rays. Lubingin ako sa team, Mr. Bubble Dog. Ringil. Total team CNL, first season, Belao Youth Baseball League, 6. Kumita lang sa team sa nga Blue Masois, mga nisip team na Astros, team na Blue Jays, team na Braves, team na Dodgers, team na Padres, team na Rays. Ay, kon so kami mablo abal betul malmatalan betul abla bulis waisay. Good. Ugel kom tayo, ano ge? Diamond. Ayo Diamond. Mr. President, ay el team sila nga ang asik sil team sil Momes, ang kanya team na Astros, team na Blue Jays, team na Dodgers, team na Braves, Padres, Rays. Ay el six sil team sa team sa NL 2024, Palau Youth Baseball League. El alta makmontira Rico Kazuma, Mameltiang, e moduli ser pletchera, aliligalom tira pletcher.
Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I trust in God. I love my country and will respect its laws. I will play fair and strive to win, but win or lose, I will always do my best.
Mayon sa Rico. Kailangan mo sa next program ligid. Makmontira at tangakal Presidente na Blue Belaw, His Excellency Mr. Surang Luif Jr. Mamura Mound, yung mga developer mamliyak niya, yung opening pitch. Ay. Yung catcher team na Astros. Maliway sige na President Amador tayo dulong lela team na Dodgers, Braves. Nabo, get your glove and get over. Get your glove, go get. Oh, this one. Oh, sorry, this one. No need your mask. Yeah, just that. Tulo ba? Galhin niyo. Sel, lebih aktu, lebih apa kami logo larger for playable, okay? Okay? Kemarin? Hey, play ball! Thank you, Mr. President. Saya mga kralela program rigid. First game in L. Ditasil sa modulong nila. Astros, Braves. Correction, Astros Blue Jays sa first game rigid. Resta mo stadium yang asyo sa game mamreng ang ukmo niya game manik sa team. Sulang.
Pangalan
kahakorak malalay Pati mo matitulo na araw Huling ito mamdedesiya ronin Di ko batulak ako kamarantakan Aksen mong ulo ng ratingan Sitlen tulen na pagiging Asumok na rin na pagiging Lugok na kamatakarabok ng liging Baru sekelwak albang alam Ya malikam lagi keberusiki Amak yang musik len tutungan Apa jajan lebre keterangkan Aksen magulo lang rapingan Sitlen tulen lang pagiging Asumok na nalaan Jajan lebre keterangkan So aksen magulo lang rapingan Sitlen tulen lang pagiging Asumok na nalaan Makakakarabok ng liging Yung baru sekelwak albang alam Ya malikam lagi keberusiki Amak yung musik len tutungan Jajan lebre keterangkan So aksen magulo lang rapingan Sitlen tulen lang pagiging Asumok na nalaan
Hai kabungeri araw tibur kay winewe kanam chuno sewe sapuk emitri irrigation ayar were feru wer
Akas
announcement. Nangyang lamang nutra mga parapayong lot. Color plate 17533. Ma-IRA plate 5718. Color plate 17533. IRA plate 5718. Please everyone remove. Sulang.
Zaman tugubet sa Morales. Tigara-agaratuy, group ng makasalusin. Hebuk mo, malagalis. Elobang red torch, el bandera latin, Henry Olang Ande. Akabanos sa guma o gederati. Oh, gibay malaklawe, lakadi mo susakol, hegit yalvik meda. Ali, 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 hatamal matigaragi, tuguk matigaragi. Kuduguk mamaluga daw, godal morang gaklaw. Masarire na nabakun. Remi pota que pinchini, huele si hay día pa, beware, huele si pomu. Amegaro porgeriye, porgeriye, o para tigeriye. Ay toro fuera, la rinire. Wayo, amore mi pota que piccini, huele si hay día pau, beware, huele si pomu. Amegaro porgeriye, porgeriye, o para tigeriye. Ay toro fuera, la rinire. Pasarito. Ewa, time. Awal, check. Dapat tukupan sa mga kapilyo. Tiragala adarat. Huwag mo lang makasakit. Maligis. Ay mga retos, el bandera norte, el guiolang ane. Nakabarnoy sa kumo, o gerardi. Ready ba? Halinap, 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 hanap takaroy, hanap takaroy, hanap, hanap. Patarang-along-along, wasarabay, one more time, hanap, hanap. Nipatakaroy. Kusinibes ni gubernau, ubar gubayali ni gubernerai. Balay bityan ngayon roy, ugebit umit sa baka nangapan. Oh, she's a lady. Wow, 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 she's a lady.
Tadi announcement. Tidak regular coaches team reps Tumutang Marcel Pablangannya kan lemestra adana odisra presidente mga lansya team sa kabung. Bila kalmera mga fights ma pabila nga sa stadium manya ka lang nga say mga sa kanila simple bigo lang ulit. Sula.
So I'll be shopping around Pamangura restaurant Beral high class. High class. Oh, she's a lady. Wow, 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 she's a lady. Talking about she's a lady. And ladies man. Welcome sa version. Hindi mga kaya masar mauloy. O bitauret sa elem lekaka. Lekaka. She's a lady. Wow, 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 she's a lady. But also she's a lady. Pagkadiado ko makatangam. Maray di siya nga yaluroy. Ugibit umit sa endra ka nang afa. Tibiyahin, wag kang mag-asara ko. Oh, she's a lady. Whoa, 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 she's a lady. But also she's a lady. In ladies' mind. Di mga kaya masal mauloy. Mauloy, mga tauret sa eleng leka ka. Leka ka. Oh, she's a lady. Whoa, 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 she's a lady. Talking about little lady in ladies' mind.
Tutako ka na nga, iyayatil ang mga Magalasa nga, oto lang rin mabitang lang Baka kung gusto, o kang maloong nakapagkabi Sila mamakangin, hindi alaan Kung mawilong ka ba ang babaan Pero makis mo daw Wala ka nang mukal kalwa Mali, ilbo Alam kong sindi ako may sapan Kaya nga na ang mabel malung Sabi, dili, lang tire Lekor ka Bakong mga uwan ka Himang ko na ba'y Etigo makis mo daw Wala ka nang mukal kalwa Mali, ilbo Alam kong sindi ako may sapan Kaya nga na ang mabel malung Sabi, dili, lang tire Lekor ka Bakong mga uwan ka Himang ko na ba'y Etigo Tingala ko sa bes Letang lalibig Nailan mo ko ka Silbak ng kisanay Huwag ang itili Kaya kung karalaban ko Bakong gusto Lo ang lobe Ang pagsabi sila Ilba kong tapar ka Wala naman gusos Mawin ang tapal baba Yung maktis mo daw Wala ang mukal kalwa Mali, ilbo Alam kong sindi ako may sapo Kaya nga na ang mabel malung Sabi, dili, lang tire Lekor ka Bakong mga uwan ka Himang ko na ba'y Etigo Bakong mga uwan ka Himang ko na ba'y Etigo
Dim langit طلع بالآي سما بلاي بالآي قلبي قريش التطبيق بيبل ولا بمراي نعملوني قلتي يا ولد مقلي Say I'm berdiri Cek orang long dalam mentakut cek ada bahaya Babang lekau tapi melobang dalam arah Yang akan mengin yang utang ada tiada mah
Chokanda, may please remove the speaker so as Malayalam, Chokanda.
Line up sa Regal Tuwal Team. First box please, line up. The announcement po tanggalnya Magkakabang Aventura Stadium, Aventura Stadium sa Moyana Met Muragay, ten tablo container ng Atal Albacan Stadium, mabudulana, lagi del container lagi restroom sa Summer Lodge pe. Ambar kita al first game. Human system ang niya. Base Uncle Bernhard Thomas ngayawan na senior umpire baseball. Chief umpire Mr. Bruce Amelie Mansaura. Terus umpire Valentia Temil head pa program barangal ka. Tutangan Mr. Claude Puto.
Pamaraya el boy, no maredo mandim, laga po tungi, lalgastos. Hegelriya na, ilmo arado, se clubhouse, taraw ngilwasyo na silang aramlang. Manalong ilbalo, ulugumang arisi.
check ang musik. Sound. Kali ini lemes ringnya madulong ulit sa team na Astros. Maroys. Coach Blue Jays. Sel Blue Jays sa mo home team. Astros sa mo visitors. Kaya mo sa line-up po sa team na Astros. Nga visiting team. Gel first barrel sa left field, right field, Samdio Andres. Second barrel sa pitcher, Nate Blesam. Third barrel sa catcher, Baba Yilausuy. Fourth barrel sa third base, Nabo Hilbrum. Fifth barrel sa first base, TJ Tultul. Sixth barrel sa second base, Amarar Mangsao. Seventh barrel sa left field, Timo Berger. Eighth barrel sa center field, Rico Kazuma. Ninth barrel sa shortstop, Yasta Kumaichi. Kita coaches meminta cepat plate. Total starting lineup is el team Blue Jays. The first batter is second base keeper. Second batter catcher, Riley. Third batter pitcher, Kaito. Fourth batter first base, Peter. Fifth batter center field, Wilcott. Sixth batter left field, Olby. Seventh batter shortstop, Koda. Eighth batter third base, MD. Ninth batter right field, Missy. Little Patterson Timura Astros, number 1 in uniform, playing right field, Simdu Andres. Strike one. Two strike count to Mabara 1-1. We start up with 1-1 count for this exhibition game. Swing and miss for out number 1. 1 out. Tal exhibition el mamaserni at the start till 1-on-1. A play with tal around the bat, 6 outs. Ginawag ka chance. Kami ang tal around the bat, and then we play every out. I get 3 outs every inning. This around the bat, kita end a game. Up to bat, Nate Plessam. Two balls and 1 strike ang count mga batter. Two balls and 2 strike. Swing and a miss for out number 2. 2 out. Up to bat, playing catcher, Baba Nilausu. base hit. By Baba Nyausu, up to bat, playing third base. Nabo Hilbun. Foul ball. 1 ball, 2 strikes ang count mga batter Nabo. Two out. Swing and a tip, foul ball. Count 1 ball and 2 strike. Pass ball. Runner advance. Swing and a miss. Game advance about first. Didn't make a catch. 2 out. Save on first. Runners on second and first. Off the bat. TJ Teltul, who's on first base. Two out, 1 ball, 1 strike ang count mga batter. Two balls, 1 strike. Pass ball. Advance to 1 base. Base on ball. Full base. Hidangua Amara may batter's box. Amara my batter's box with full base. 2 out. On deck. Timo. Two balls ang count mga batter. base, and di bilang walk, mag-return naman mga left, tiga runners sa advance. Yes. Count tumabara, 3 balls. Three balls, 2 out. Double. Base on ball. Runner on first. 2 out. Idangua. Timo Mabaz box. On deck, Rico. Swing and a tip up for 1 ball and 2 strike. Cut, looking for out number 3. 3 out. Three runs came in, scores 3-0. Astros, Sigida Marcel. Bottom one, hustle in, hustle out. Murt. Tapos ultimo Astros. Catcher tira, Babangina Usui. First base, TJ Teltul. Second base, Amarar Mangsao. Third base, Nabo Hilbum. Shortstop, Yasta Gumaichi. Left field, Timo Berger. Center field, Rico Kazuma. Right field, Samdu Andres. Gelangar Babula Mound, the tier, Nate Blessa.
Because some of those runs don't count. Because the ground rule is one base only. So it's a dead ball after that. That's a ground rule. So the guys who from second and first who score don't count. So it needs to be announced so everyone understands the rule. Well, it doesn't matter. You know it went all the way to the back. So
Okay.
I understand that.
Okay. Hopefully, yung sa shot, diba first? Number 1. Okay, just a correction announcement to Marcel, score Timura. Astros at 1-1. Ground rules sa D1 base silang alak na ganyan cones and Merulela backstop and get 3 runs sa Team Astros sa modal account munda score lang adi 1-0 sulang hida mo get number 2 para sa Timura Blue Jays Riley. out. Line drive mula third base sa Milifa, number 2. 2 out. Up the bat, Kaito. Swing and a tip. One ball and two strike out to my batter. Three balls, two strike, full count. The count to my batter. 2 out. Base on ball. Count to my batter at 2 and 2. Already tip and foul. Base and ball, mura batter, Peter. Ilang ka nga, fifth batter, loose call, center fielder, Wilcott. Yang all badil, Madhu at Tommy. Runners all safe, full base. Engel mo mga left, Olby. Eng more, mga home, scores in. Account to my batter at 2 balls, my 1 strike.
Tip and foul. Makante lang at 2 strike, 2 ball. Tip and foul ang madi for out number 3. Kailangan ng Astros sa mga live. One score in, Chase, ma-score lang 1-1.
Ako, aking malawakan niya ako, damang kabaan lang, kung makaway siya kakaway, masanggahan, malabaran niya mamagkabaan, lawe mong baikan, siyak yaman.
Langgil mo mga love, lose call center field, Rico Kasuma. Around to my water, 1 ball, 1 strike. Swing and a miss for 2 strike, my 1 ball, my water. Around to my water, I'm number 2 and 2. Swing and miss for out number 1. Kailangan na kuha. Yasta Kumaichilo so all shortstop. Rati Mastos so mga live. Around to my water, 2 balls, my 1 strike. Inside corner, makanta mo full count to my water. Akyat sa minute over at 2, mga water ang mga runs na first. Until my batter subdue. 2 balls, my 1 strike. Until my batter 2 and 2. Full count to my batter subdue. Swing and miss my batter. Other one Selmora full space. Ilang 2 out, runner na nga first, ilang katunguha, Nate Plesa, malmamakalip. Ako, lang ang full count to my batter, Nate. Base on ball, ano man sa runner. Runner lang ang first masir. Lang ang galaw soul catcher. Baba ang iraw suy. Why say, hindi ka 2 outs. Baba mo mga live. Runner sa scoring base. Uludil, tip in the foul, makante lang, 2 strike, ma 1 ball. Makante mga baro, lang na mo 2 and 2. Ilang full count, takot to my batter, 2 out. Tip na foul, mga counter main, full count to my batter, Baba. Yung all-wheel mas shoot, and more. Mga runner, saldi remote. Eng skora Rico. Skora mlat mo, maskore lam mo 2-1 Astros. Ilang rong galaw score third baseman Navo Hilboom. Tip in the foul, makante lang naman 1 ball, 2 strike. Almora batter. Astros, a two strike, el mga batter Nabo. Hindi na malmol, but 2 out. Yang all Vidalov, el mga center. El center na Tommy, el mga runner sa Blatmo. 2 scores in. Double, 2 RBI, el mga batter Nabo. Damodora na score na mo. 4-2-1 Astros. Ilang mga batter, TJ Tertul, mo mga live, account 1-1. Account mga batter, ang mga 2-2. Two out. A full count ng mga batter. TJ Tertul. Yung overall nilaload. 1 RBI mula batter TJ. A score ang mo 5-1 Astros. Nagungil low score second baseman at team Astros. Amoraro mga sao. Counter mula batter 1-1. Swing and a miss for 2 strikes and 1 ball. Yang more up to the Cats. Eti Chamal Bangruit, Bangruit Asir. Strike out, the batter, 3 men out, Chins. Team Astros aman belakang Rio to a 4-10. El score am lama 5-1 Astros. Lang mo sa Blue Chase mo mga lev. Hunter my butter. 1 ball, 1 strike. Tip and foul my butter. Account mo 2 strike, my wonder ball. Swing and a miss, mawara mo out. Number 1 out. Ilang nungungil los all shortstop Koda. Nungungil account mga Koda 1-1. Swing and miss sa account mo 2 strike, mga wonder ball, mga batter. Account mo 2-2, mga batter. Full account, mga batter. Swing and miss for out number 2. Ilang nga batter, MD, mo mga left. Team out, sa team naka-score mo, ma-score malmol, mal-5 to 1, Astros. Nga taprado inning. Ito nga parer mo mga live. Counter ma batter, one ball, ma one strike. Wild pitch. Counter ma batter, mo two balls, ma one strike. Counter mo batter, mo three balls, ma one strike. Swing and a miss, ma-counter lang, a full count, mo batter. Wild pitch, mong four balls, advance sa runner ma first, taka out, kaya runner a first. Tommy Rakyats, runner amal makarut, mangrora asir. Awalingit masalam root, tanda marup helmet tarakaw, safety first. Counter mo batter, three balls, ma one strike. Malbakarut, marura adut. Paano adut, para mga live, daka out. Swing and a miss for two strike, ma three balls, full counter mo batter. Base on ball, ma runner advance mo first. Lang nga water, yasta, mo mga live. Hit by pitch, advance sa runners. Runners ang nasa ma first. Malamol mo na ka out. Runners ang scoring base. Hit by pitch. 2 consecutive hit by pitch. My runners advance egal base. Full base. Teka out. Full base. Teka out. Teka mga parang mo mga live. Wild pitch. My runners are moved. Thanks. Home rough. Runners advance. Runners ang Abdul Masir. A score am lamo 7-1. Counter Marabar 2 balls, 1 strike. Move to Tarawal pitch. My runners have moved to move. A score am lamo 8-1. Astros, teka out. Counter Morabar 3 balls, 1 strike. Counter Morabar, full count. Base on ball, Marabar. Runners ang Abdul Mahfuz. Ideka out. A score Malmol 8-1. Astros. Tungil mo mga level, Baba. Swing and a miss for 2 strikes. Mga 1 ball, Marabar. Two and two, Morabar, Bawa. Cut, looking. Run number 1 out, teka batter, Navo. And all the call allowed. Elmora right, Tawanes are moved. 1 score in. Inside the park, home run, Elmora Navo, Hulboom. A score lang ang namo 12-1, Astros. Malmol, Malwana out. Yung mga batter, ngawak. Mga live. Counter more batter, 1 ball, 1 strike. Malmol, Malwana out. Swing and a miss for 2 strike. Mga 1 ball, mura batter. Yung ugat batter, mga advance mura first. Awit sabla mo 3 times sulpat batter. Malato mo chance ringi. bit sa valeu kilomet makalala ka ng sakol pot. Lang akauntul mo rabar amora uwing olbedi aptul mo asir asir na tomil etakara asir ma out tela na mo 2 out. Good defensive play by the second baseman. Pippen farm, akauntul mo rabar a 2 strike, mawan el ball. Antara mawarer amla mo 2 balls ma 1 strike. 2 balls ma 2 strike, correction. Swing and a miss, strike out, 3 outs. Astros sama belakang radio 2 7 and 10. Mas-score lang amla mo 12-1 Astros. Ila mga Blue Jays sa mga left. Ila ka nga last inning, ma Blue Jays sa Uspea 11-10 el Tara game, e Uspea 12 el Mocat Sitter game. Ladang aralas till evening, counted my batter, 1 ball, my 1 strike. Swing and a miss, makante lang, ano mo, 2 balls, my 2 strike. Full count till more batter. Base on ball, batter advance my first, dahil malmal daka out. Strike out, number 1 out. Next game, matulong Lela Braves, Cheers. Ito di reminder, magtigil na kalo olbal. Pisa mga olbolim, lakad mo ulo basment. Swing and a miss, ma-counter my batter, a 2 strike, my 1 ball. Counter my batter, a 2 balls, my 2 strike, mal 1 na out. Full counter my batter. Base on ball, advance a runner, my first maser. Swing and a miss, counter my batter, 2 strike, my 1 ball. Count to my batter, 2 balls, my 2 strike. Mal 1 na out. Tip and foul, my on Tamil Mall, 2 strike, my 2 ball. Yung all with Olive, the more right, think Tommy right, my runners are their mood. Stand up double, 1 RBI, my batter, my score lang, am lang mo 12-2. Swing and a miss, 2 strike and 1 ball. Mara batter, out Tamil Mall, 1 na out. Outside corner, first strikeout, 2 outs. Runners on scoring base. Hit by pitch. Other ones are runner more forced. The bases are loaded. Swing and a miss for 2 strike. My 1 ball, more batter. Count my batter, 2 strike. My 1 ball. Yung all with up, Emediradu. And that's the ball game. Mamatal material total team and Malbongila game. Final score 12-2 Astros.
Ilabasu Isori mai geloli batal biyali Iba kola Tinggal gabe Ilim lang alakle Ang ilgayong alargi Seman
Mareda mandim laka potungi lalgastos Hegelrieta Ilmo arado se clubhouse Taraw ngilwasyora al silang ramdam Manalong ilbalu Ulo ko mga risi Oh, selva lang el tasin sa langate Pagurere aige lomile Kawang marisel se la kursi Malaubeng all the age Lego reggae ni mana Yeah. Oh, selva lang el tasis lalangate Pagurere aige lomile Kawang marisel se la kursi Ya malaubeng all the age Lego reggae ni mana Namarayan woy Namarela mandim laka potungi lalgastos Hegelrieta Ilmo arado se clubhouse Taraw ngilwasyora al sin mga ramlam Maralong ilbalu Ulo ko mga risi Oh, selva lang el tasis lalangate Pagurere aige lomile Kawang marisel se hakursi Ya malaubeng all the ace Lego reggae ni mana Oh, selva lang el tasis lalangate Pagurere aige lomile Kawang marisel se hakursi Malaubeng all the age Lego reggae ni mana Busel clubhouse Taraw ngilwasyora al sin ang ramdam Nang manalong ilbalu
Tadi reminder, motigil niyo sa ngayon kung madiropto kakal. Eskumda kakaliw, bumukakaliw, abakalatang out, transaction.
Selva lang el tasis lalangate Pagurere aige lomile Lego reggae ni mana Sula Yes. Says always harapin now. Andi dulci arang ulaboy mo sa walagi e obes angara ale el girel maro. Sa aligali komol mangare raira are mikal imol timaligue o mangare lengotramri apotoru erisel nevalongale para talamal e anigi.
Next game, start 5 minutes. Makungita at Lanawa Timra Touchers. Test. The reminder mortirgel malam mga olwoliw ilaka maulu rasment madobu seldora ilaka gutmok lago mirigid mondaka gomit terkurang. Ayo Lana berarti Touchers. Takbong bawing ko ang mama, halang mo kamoy
لك مقبل بقى بصيني يانغو بيقالني أولى بغلي دل كنتيلانغو هو بقى زابول ما بيس بنقول غدي
Jag spelar några timmar av chess. Ilakmonan sa Line Abra Braves. Manggil Ichibang Bat, Usol right field, Cancel Eledoy. Sound batter, Losol shortstop, Thomas Ise. Third batter, Losol third base, Amayas Meltel. Fourth batter, Losol first, Alikan Uldak. Fifth batter, Losol second, Sairi Desmang. 6 batter, Losol pitcher, Warren Kumaichi Jr. 7 batter, Losol left field, Joshua Charles. 8 batter, Losol catcher, Giovanni R. Masaharu. 9 batter, Losol center field, Raison Tageshi. Lana Brother Cheers, Losol Cat sa Chona. Losol first baseman,